Hey guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Well, in this video, I am recreating Kareena Kapoor's Vogue makeup look. When I saw this look on the internet, I absolutely loved it. You know, the face is so matte. There's so much of bronzing, contouring that has happened. You know, it's a very sun-kissed look, so there's no highlighter. And when it comes to the eye makeup also, the eye makeup is very matte. There's some neutral color, black eyeliner, some smudged shadow here, and the lips are like nude lips with a little bit of gloss. So I tried to recreate this look in my own way. Let's get started and see how did I create this look. And also a quick reminder to all of you to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So let's get started and learn this matte makeup look. So I'm applying this vitamin C serum. Now this is from Lotus. I honestly got this in my PR package. I absolutely love using this. So this is a skin brightening face serum. Along with moisturizing the face, it's important that you moisturize your lips also. So I'm applying this Maybelline lip balm. So I'm going to start with the base makeup first. And also guys, sorry this nail is broken. I haven't been getting time to get this fixed. It broke just 2 days back, so excuse this in this video. And also I'm trying a new setup here. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you would know I usually have like a white table in the background that's there in that corner of my room. Today I'm just trying like a different setup. So do let me know which one do you like more. I'm just experimenting. So the concealer that I've applied is this. This is from K Beauty. The shade is medium 140Y. Now using this sponge to blend this concealer. Now this concealer is slightly darker, it's slightly yellow, but you know, it really takes care of all the darkness. Now you can see the face is looking so much better, you know, after applying this concealer. So I always like to bring the concealer slightly down also because I do have these freckles here. So just to cover that. So the foundation that I'm using is this one. This is L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. So if you see Kareena Kapoor's makeup, the face is really matte. There is no shine, there is no highlighter. The skin, as I said, is matte. So I'm using a matte foundation. The shade that I'm using on myself is Golden Beige. This is a beautiful full coverage foundation and it also is very, very long lasting. I'm using this brush from PAC. Now this is number 003. So I'm going to leave the base makeup like this right now. Let the foundation, you know, just settle a little bit. Till then, I will complete the eye makeup. As always, to start with the eye makeup, it's very important that you apply some concealer on the eyelids because as you can see, now this area is really dark. So the colors won't come out that well. This is basically priming or preparing the eyelid for your eye makeup. The eyeshadow palette that I'll use is this one, James Charles from Morphe. Now this one has these beautiful brown shades and her Kareena Kapoor's eye makeup has a lot of brown shades and these kind of beige shades on her eyes. It's a very matte look. So firstly, just setting this concealer that I applied with some loose powder, or you can just use like a neutral color like this from your eyeshadow palette and just dab it on top of that concealer. Now taking this eyebrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The shade is Ebony and I'm using this brush. Now this is from CS Essentials. CS Essentials is a Delhi-based brand. They have brushes, they have face creams, they have a lot of stuff, you know, related to makeup. I quite like their concealer brush and even this eyebrow brush is pretty awesome. Look at this, you can clearly see the difference. The first shade that I'll apply on the crease is something like this. Now this is a very rust brown shade. Now I'm going ahead with a smaller blending brush like this. Okay, and I'm taking a darker shade because if you'll see her crease, it's really prominent. It's like this dark brown crease with just, you know, matte eyelids. So I'm just going ahead with a brush so that the crease becomes a little more prominent. Now I have this liquid eyeshadow. This is from Sephora, and honestly I have never used this shadow. I bought this online, so I didn't know how it would look. So it turned out to be this, like a beige cream eyeshadow, a liquid one. So I'm going to apply this, and on top of it I will apply a matte eyeshadow. I'm just blending this liquid eyeshadow with a flat brush. Oh, I am loving this. This is the first time I'm using this eyeshadow. I thought it will be such a waste. I don't know why I bought this, but yeah, I finally got to use it in this eye makeup look. Okay, now we need to put a matte eyeshadow on top of this. So taking this skin color here, like a beige matte color. Okay, so this is how the eyes are looking. Now I want to make that crease really prominent, just like this area. Okay, because if you see it in the picture, that brown is like on the crease is really popping out. So I'm taking this shade and a really small brush. Okay, this is a really tiny brush, and I'm going ahead and just applying the shade on the crease here. Applying Maybelline gel eyeliner. The eyeliner that is applied is very straight, so there is no weighing or anything. It's not even smudged. It's just a very neat eyeliner. So the eyeliner part is done. I'll quickly apply some lashes and get back. I'm back after applying the lashes. So now the next step is the under eye area. Now I'm taking a slightly lighter shade of concealer, and very little of it I'll just apply on the highlighting points. Now to set this under eye area, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is in shade medium, and also applying this all over my face. Now let's complete the under eye area, and then I'll go on the bronzing part. So now I'm taking this beige pencil and I'll apply this in the waterline. Now under the eye here in this area, there's some kajal that's smudged. So what you can do is you can just take a flat brush like this. I am dipping that in this black eyeshadow and just smudging this part. Next, I'm taking a brown shadow like this, because there's a slight brown shadow, underneath that black line. So just smudging it, but I'm only keeping it till here. Some mascara in the lower lashes. Lower lashes. It's like a tongue twister for me. Lower lashes. How many of you make weird faces while applying mascara and kajal? Well, I always do that. I think even while applying my eyeliner, my face is like, my mouth is like always open. Now is the time to contour the face, contour the nose, make it look very slim. So I have this contouring palette from Anastasia, so I'm using that. Like nose, I really want very thin and sharp. Like this is not a great brush honestly to contour the nose. I don't like this. This is from pack 265. I honestly don't like this brush, so don't buy it, but it's just good for like lining. Like it really helps you in achieving the sharp line. And I'm taking the contour all the way till here. A lot of people just leave it till the nose part, but always extend your contouring line all the way till the eyebrows. And you can see how sharp the nose is already looking right now. And my voice must have changed a little bit, because obviously like I'm just literally pressing my nose and talking here. So beautiful. I am loving it. Now let's go on to the face contouring. Now this is a great brush. You need an angular brush which you can actually, blend the contour product with. Now I'm going to tie all this hair right. I'm going to push them back and tie it into a bun. So of course, a little bit of contouring here on the forehead also, it's very important. Now I'm taking a blusher like this, which is very, it's not pinkish, it's kind of coral. And I'm applying a slight blusher, just blending it with this contouring part, but I'm just pushing it upwards, okay? So it's not going like round here on the cheeks, but just pushing it upward. I'm taking a little bit of bronzer now. This is from Hoola because Kareena Kapoor has this really bronzy look. So I'm just adding a little bit of more bronzer now here, just to achieve that sun-kissed look. So there's contour, there's a little bit of blusher and bronzer, everything just mixed and blended really well. Now I'm just spraying everything with this Glow and Fix. Now this is from CS Essentials. Now going on the lips, you know, her lips are extremely nude. Like I don't even know if I have a nude shade like this. Now this is the lightest lip color pencil that I have, so I'm using this. I have this shade. Now this is from STILA. It's extremely dry, so I don't apply it for a very long time, but let's see if this goes well. And I'm going to smudge this lipstick with my fingers. I think it's quite similar to what Kareena Kapoor is wearing. Now I'm taking a little bit of this gloss. It's a transparent gloss and I'm applying it on the lips because her lips definitely has some shine to it. So guys, here is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also guys, in case you want me to create a video on some particular topic, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will mention all the product details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this. I love you all.